Hello all. We are Wedtree group of companies holding Wedtree, a premium gifting brand, Prashanti, world's favorite saree brand, and Maatshi, a new age ready-made brand. We are a family of 500 and we do a lot of exciting work every day. We are looking for very creative and enthusiastic individuals who want to be part of our journey in taking these brands forward. We have opened up a lot of career opportunities at Wedtree. We are looking out for people with clear vision to join us for our operations, which includes purchase, inventory, quality, logistics, and much more. We also have openings for enthusiastic individuals with good communication to join us for our customer support and creative people to join us for our media team, which includes photographers, cinematographers, editors, and designers. We are holding a walk-in interview on September 1st and 2nd at our Nagar office. The address and details are given in the description box. People who are interested, we welcome you all for this walk-in, which is going to happen on September 1st and 2nd. Looking forward to see you all.